This video chart presentation at Ethos Capital, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Ethos trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker ECC. It's a Canadian stock to watch this week, as it wrapped last week, pushing right on a resistance point. Moving averages coming together, Bollinger Bands tight. This chart's going to stay on radar until it falls through a bottom support or can take out this resistance. Of course, overall, coming off a bottom back here in October, the stock's made a huge climb since then. MACD is still trending upward. In the more near term, making higher highs. Holding a baseline above zero, that's still bullish. Histogram trending back towards zero right now tells us that a bullish cross is happening. Really going to want to see that bullish cross completed. See this histogram pop firmly above the zero line. And of course, that's only going to happen if it can take out that resistance. Classic PPO ADX pinch. Doesn't get much nicer than that. Huge bounce off that bottom. ADX down very low now, even broke below 10. Moving slightly higher, but in a position where you really look for this to try and trend upward some and add some real strength to a direction. MFIs move off the bottom, holding over top of 50 pretty much. Again, bull chart territory. It's a real nice uptrend in the accumulation distribution. Making higher lows for the better part of a year. Shaking money flow still holding above zero. Spent most of its time in the green. Buying pressure has been overcoming selling pressure. Per definition of the CCI, this was a real quick buy and sell. Break through 100, buy. Break back down, sell. Followers of the CCI, we're looking for this to curl, break back up through 100, drop another buy signal. Full stow showing some momentum trying to come into the play. And the tricks, what I look for here, hold over top of zero. It's much more bullish if that happens. Looks like it's starting to flatten and curl. RSIs had some momentum coming into them with the upward pressure that came from here. But the gap downward on Monday, even though it closed higher than it opened, and then the down day yesterday, kind of sucked the wind out of the sails. Right now, though, still not in a bad position. Indicators are all aligned pretty nicely, but what I really look for in this chart is holding this support level. Ties into a lot of different things. Was an old resistance point through here. Been holding as support now for the last month and a half or so. 50-day moving average comes right in at 89. In my opinion, that support level must hold. Or the odds of it coming back down into this level, down around 75, are really enhanced. But right now, we've got the 50-day trending towards the 200-day, telling us a golden cross could be coming. That's a bullish indication. A good support level set up right there around 87, 88, 89. I'll just call that a general area. And what I'll be looking for, it's going to have to get some steam together and try and close above 96. And certainly take out that point at $1. Common psychological barrier. It does tie back into a little bit of support. And it'll be a key point for it to demonstrate a technical breakout. Come up here and challenge some more resistance around $1.15. And beyond that, old highs around $1.35. Volume's a little low on it, 50,000 shares traded. Below average, especially considering it can put together some much higher volume days. And on a breakout of this resistance point, that's what I'll be looking for. I want to see a volume spike, see some nice strength coming into it. Even if it goes up and smacks its head on a resistance point and pulls back, I want to see it hold that dollar as a new support. And that'll increase the likelihood this is going to try and continue upward. Nice chart though, and one to keep an eye on the rest of this week and heading into next week and see how it performs. As always, this is merely my interpretation of ECC. I am not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.